The City of Rockingham's 3-bin system includes a 360-litre recycling bin with a yellow lid, collected fortnightly, a 140-litre general waste bin with a red lid, collected on the alternative fortnight to the recycling bin, and a 240-litre FOGO bin with a lime green lid, collected weekly. You also have an indoor FOGO kitchen caddy to help divert food waste from landfill, and it's as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Line your FOGO kitchen caddy with a compostable liner. Fill the caddy with food scraps. When full, take out the liner, tie the top and place it in your green-lidded FOGO bin with your garden organics for a weekly curbside collection. Here's what goes into your FOGO kitchen caddy: coffee grounds and loose tea leaves, out-of-date food and leftover meals unpackaged, and food scraps including meat, dairy, bread, bones and eggshells. Here is what goes into your recycling bin: glass jars and bottles, lids off, flattened cardboard boxes, magazines, newspapers and papers, steel cans, drink cans, balled up aluminium foil, plastic containers and plastic bottles. Recyclables must be clean and placed into the bins separately, not inside bags. Don't put children's toys, clothing, crockery, food waste or general rubbish into the recycling bin. Your FOGO bin is for food scraps from your FOGO kitchen caddy and garden organics such as lawn clippings, leaves and weeds, small prunings, sticks and cut flowers. Garden organics must be placed loosely into the bin, not inside bags. Food scraps can be in a compostable caddy liner. Don't put animal droppings, sand or rocks, building materials and garden equipment like hoses or plant pots into the green-lidded FOGO bin. Your general waste bin is for household waste such as nappies and other personal hygiene items like tissues and cotton buds, ceramics, broken toys, clothing, shoes and animal droppings, soft plastic bags like bread bags, frozen veggie packets, plastic bags and chip packets. Using your 3 curbside bins is simple. Each week, place 2 bins on the curb. One week, put out the green-lidded FOGO bin and the yellow-lidded recycling bin. The next week, put out the green-lidded FOGO bin and the red-lidded general waste bin. Place the bins on the curb by 6 a.m. on your collection day, with the wheels facing the house and the lids closed. Keep a distance of 0.5 metre from other bins and 1 metre from other objects like trees, fences or cars. For your own safety, do not approach the truck, especially when it is lifting bins. Remember to wait for it to be fully clear of your curb before attempting to retrieve your bin. Bins heavier than 70 kilograms can't be lifted, so they won't be emptied. Be a great sort. By using the 3-bin system correctly, together we can all help reach our goal of sending less waste to landfill. This project aligns with the City of Rockingham's Waste Plan and the State Government's Waste Avoidance and Resource Recovery Strategy 2030 and is supported by the Government of Western Australia and the Waste Authority.